Hi guys, rubber band power time. Got an empty box of chocolates there, and we've got my little propeller tube that came with a kit. So it's a rubber band up the middle of a plastic tube with a propeller on the end of it. So I shall stick some wheels on this. It's a very thin card. Oh, can't even get it out. There we go, yeah. It's a very thin card. I'll poke a hole at the end there for that to go through. And we'll put some axles on it and some wheels, CD wheels I expect. And just let it run up and down the kitchen, propeller driven. Well, that didn't take many minutes to put together, using all bits that I had already. So I put the bottom of the box inside the top, so it's open, but it's double thickness now. I actually glued it in place. The plastic tube with the rubber band up the middle and the propeller on the top, I just taped that in place and cut the end of the box so it fits in nicely. We've got 4 CDs or DVDs with plastic bottle tops glued in the middle as the hubs. The back axle happens to be a bamboo cane or barbecue skewer, and the front axle is actually a bicycle spoke, but they'd be interchangeable. They're just there to hold the wheels in place. We're not using them as drive axles, we're not putting a rubber band on them, although we could, but we're not. We're using the propeller to drive the car. The bicycle spoke, I've got a couple of plastic beads there on each wheel just to reduce the friction, and that's an electrical connector there that's just clamped onto the bicycle spoke to stop the wheels falling off. At the back axle we've got a couple of little bits of drinking straw just to keep the wheels away from the bodywork and reduce the friction there. Yep, that works. I don't think I need to do another summary of this because I covered it pretty conclusively before we started running it up and down the kitchen. So we've got a cardboard box, 4 CDs, 8 bottle caps, a bamboo skewer for the back axle, bicycle spoke for the front axle, and the propeller and the plastic tube came from a previous episode where I put a kit together that I'd bought. So I'll put a link in the video description to that particular episode so you can see what kit it came from. Just a bit of bonus footage. Same car, rubber band power direct to the back axle. I've had to put rubber tyres on the wheels, otherwise it does wheel spin because it's very light. couldn't run backwards fast enough, I had to let it go. So there you go, 2 versions of the same car for the price of one.